It has been a while since I've done an update on the garden, so I'm literally, this is like super last minute, so I apologize, but let's take a look. I don't know if you remember the size of this garden bed, well, the plants that were in it, but it's definitely grown, and every single one has a small little head of broccoli, and I'm so glad that I planted so many this year, because this is one of my favorite vegetables, and this will at least get me, you know, to early fall, hopefully. I'm gonna get in here and pull some of these weeds, and if you take a look at the size of these, now I'll get this off here in a second, but look at the size of that one. Look at the size of these cabbages compared to this one. And it's like, huh. Like, don't focus on the wire, focus on the cabbage. And it's like, what did I do different? I'm gonna tell you in a second. Here's the size of that one. That one almost looks ready to eat. And this is the big one in the bigger garden bed versus the smaller one. Now, notice that that red cabbage is much more, well, it's called red, but purple, versus these. Now, I know these are bigger, but it's like, what is going on? Like, why is there such a big size difference? So, that is brand new soil over there. Well, not that, but that is brand new soil over here. This is second year soil, but I added compost from the compost bin. I'll put a little thingy over here so you can watch that video, but I really think it's compost. Also, this side of the garden gets about an hour of sunlight more than that one does, so I don't think I'm doing anything wrong. It's just that because of the compost, this might be slightly more nutritious soil. So here's my I need someone who's an onion expert. Like, I planted these in March, and I would think, okay, there's one. Finally, I'm seeing a little bit, get out the way, of a bulb down there. So I'm finally starting to see something, but these are, I mean, they're growing, they're nice and rooted in there, but I just want humongous onions, y'all. Like, what do I have to do? Here are collard greens, spinach, which spinach looks angry. But I have yet to spray anything out here, so I'm gonna go make a concoction of diatomaceous earth, basil essential oil, and cedarwood and peppermint essential oil, and that'll keep the bugs off. And the diatomaceous earth will kill the any kind of bugs that land on my plants and try and eat them. So this is a garden update. I imagine these probably won't be ready for another month, these little ones. This guy, maybe a few more weeks. I've never grown red cabbage before, so I have no idea when it's going to be ready, but my aunt told me that I can cut off the leaves and use them, but I'm just going to wait since it's my first time. So, all right, guys, so I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA, so I only use doTERRA essential oils because the purity of them, and they have changed my life. But there's my basil, my cedarwood, and my peppermint, which has some icky stuff on it. But I'm just gonna put 10 drops of each into this bottle. It has to be glass. These oils are so strong, they'll actually pull the plastic from the container. So it has to be glass, and yeah. All right, so have the concoction here, and I just gonna spray it on down, keep them critters off. Doesn't seem like anything eats onions. I never have a problem with bugs. And I'm gonna go and spray it from this side. By using these oils, because they're pure, they're safe for the plants. I never have an issue with them. Those are the chickens not getting along back there. Pearl, stop it! She stopped too. Chasing them. Chasing the baby. So that's all for now. Just a quick update, like I said. So if you like gardening, nature, and you're learning just like me, hit that like and subscribe button so I can catch you later. Bye.